This is a brand new 2013 GMC Yukon. It features a 6.2-liter, 8-cylinder engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include an air suspension, a limited-slip differential, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: heated front seats, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, a DVD video player, chrome wheels, roof rails, a low tire pressure indicator, hill start assist, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, and the navigation system will help you get from point A to point B on time. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Hiley Buick GMC is located at 3535 West Loop 820 South in Fort Worth. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.